update. So I did actually end up getting 82 of the pieces done. They were all packaged up. They were all sent out like early last week. They still haven't gotten to the UK, but I did manage to get them done and sent out, and yeah, it was really pushing it though. I was kind of worried that I wouldn't make it because I had glaze problems. Amico changed how their glaze worked, like the formula and stuff. I'm 90% sure that they changed what's in the formula because it is a completely different color than it used to be, and this particular glaze that I've used enough that I know that like it's not supposed to be a purple. It is more of a red, and this bottle for whatever reason is like purple. So I don't know, I might reach out about that because when I went to put it on all my pieces and everything, it bubbled. It ruined like 20 of the 30 little mini mugs that I'd made. So it was kind of a scramble to like make more, and then I made a bunch more, decided to go with a completely different glaze, made sure it was okay with the person I'm sending these off to, and then I just had a bunch of them crack in the bottom, probably because I was trying to push them too fast, drying them too fast. So I ended up losing like another 10, you know. So in all actuality, I probably threw more like 100, and ended up with like 82 right at the end, and I was really worried. I was kind of pushing it there. I was like counting exactly how many I had, hoping beyond hope that I had 80, because that's what the custom order was for. But we did. We ended up with 82. I got those sent out. Yeah, and the order's done. I think I'm going to take a break from custom orders right now just because I found out it took a lot more of the time that the pottery time and stuff that I have. And so I really want to get started on my next collection. I haven't really been working on the next story collection that I'm doing. So for those of you who are new to my channel, I usually do pottery collections, usually 3 or 4 a year, based off of a particular story or fairy tale and stuff. So I'm doing Thumbelina for this next story collection, and I haven't really started any of the pieces. So that is what I'm going to be doing next, and that'll probably be, more vlog style. And probably, hopefully, less chaotic than this video and custom order went. So yeah.